Kristen just mentioned rain in Miami.
What, showers in Miami in the afternoon? That never happens.
Right, Florida?
Right?
What?
Yeah, let's see what we got. I think we're going to be talking about some showers, maybe some bigger storms up here, and similar timing, maybe a little after 11 o'clock for that to happen. For a lot of us this morning, numbers are starting way up in the 70s. I expect to see daytime highs that can and should get up over 90, but it depends on when and where we get those showers. Overnight tonight, it's going to stay in the 70s, way up in the 70s again. Lots of warm, lots of muggy coming our way. Now, there's not a lot on the radar. A couple of sprinkles tried late last night, very early this morning, but it's not the same as yesterday when we had that decaying energy getting pushed into the southeast. It really fired up some impressive showers yesterday morning, and that slowed everything down yesterday. Not going to have that today. So I think we're going to heat up a little bit faster. We're going to heat up a little bit farther. The air is going to get more unstable a little bit faster. And that likely means we've got a better chance for some more of those bigger storms today in more spots. It's 77 right now in Tallahassee. It's 75 in Valdosta. It's 72 in Thomasville. It is very muggy outside. You are going to feel it. The glasses are going to fog up the minute you step outdoors. Nice to see at least a couple of spots. Blakely and Mariana in the upper 60s. We're at that point in the year now where that starts to become fewer and farther between. Perry is at 79, Apalachicola is at 80, so a pretty good variety of temperatures. Most of us in the low to mid 70s. Now, as far as the breeze goes, any breeze will help move that air around, make it feel a little less gross outside than it is, and stir things up so we don't get that thick fog. A couple of spots with some patchy fog, but most visibility is doing better than 7 miles. Now, the setup is still the same. We've got that old boundary sort of drooped across the southeast. We've got the upper level winds pushing everything into the southeast. We've got all the warm, humid, unstable air in place. We've got those little bitty pieces of leftover thunderstorms from yesterday, so lots of ingredients lining up, and that all should pave the way for more of those scattered showers. And I know how frustrating the scattered showers are. It could rain a couple of miles from where you are and not rain a bit at your house. I get it. That's the way it goes. But that's the way it's going to be today, tomorrow, Thursday, Friday. And some spots may get several inches of rain while other areas can't buy a single drop. Frustrating. I get it. Some of the storms are going to have the potential to be on the strong side, so got all kinds of things to watch. Areas from like the I-10 corridor north, that's where we've got this slight risk for the dangerous weather. And when we get to slight risk, it's kind of like 50-50, saying there's enough ingredients where it can happen, but we're not expecting it yet. Tomorrow, we introduce in some of our northern and western areas that enhanced risk. So now we're starting to get to that level where, yeah, we're kind of expecting it. So both today and tomorrow, decent shots, but maybe even better chances tomorrow. Got plenty of things to keep our eyes on. Please keep checking in with us. One thing that we don't have to watch too carefully right now, the tropics, because there's nothing going on out there just the way we like it. On the Gulf close to home today, breezy at times for sure. The scattered showers and storms are going to do their thing. We'll put the winds out of the southwest like 8 to 16, maybe up to 18 knots. This morning, the rain chances like 40% or less. Temperatures for the most part in the 70s. Things are going to warm up quickly and far. I do think a lot of us are going to get up over 90 unless the showers start kicking by 2-3 o'clock. Rain chances like 60 or 70%. And yes, some of those more dangerous storms with the wind gusts, with the hail, even an isolated tornado can't get ruled out today, so please keep checking in. They'll eventually fizzle. Might take till after midnight for that to happen. It looks like we're going to do it all over again tomorrow and Thursday, and maybe Friday and into the weekend too.